Pre-made spicy kimchi is definitely the star of this recipe, and stay tuned because I'm going to give you both a vegetarian and non-vegetarian version for today's dish.
Hey everybody, my name is Jasmine, and today, get this, you know what? That was my microwave. It's telling me that it's time to eat. On the list is a Kimchi Jjigae from Korea.
This kimchi soup has definitely become a favorite over the last couple of weeks, and I'm excited to share it with you all today. So for your ingredients, you're gonna use about 2 cups or 1.5 cups of kimchi, garlic. I've got some pork here that I'm going to cook on the side and not actually in the stew so that my remainder can be, in fact, a vegetarian soup. But you're welcome to add the pork right in if you'd like. And then of course our hot pepper. I didn't have the correct pepper for this particular dish, so it's not 100% authentic, but we are gonna make it work. Of course, we want to add olive oil to our pan, and I'm adding my chopped kimchi. If your kimchi already comes chopped, you're good to go. Mine was definitely chopped up, but if it doesn't, take time to give it a nice rough chop. So I saute the kimchi, and this is actually spicy kimchi, which is what adds that extra lovely flavor. And of course my spicy little peppers, my dried chili flakes, and oh my gosh, literally my house was just overwhelmingly delicious smelling. You can add vegetable stock or chicken stock to this dish. I think I added vegetable stock to give it that vegetarian feel for the leftovers that don't actually have pork in it. And then of course I add my green onions and tofu. I think tofu is definitely becoming one of my most favorite little items to eat. Honestly, this stew is so easy to make. Probably one of the easiest things I've made in a while, and I have actually made this recipe twice now. Give it a try and let me know what you think.
All right, we've got our food and I'm really excited. So we've got our kimchi jjigae in this bowl here, and then I made a little bit of rice just because carbs, you know. So with this particular kimchi jjigae, I added pork as recommended by the recipe, but I only made a little bit, which you saw because I didn't want to, you know, have pork in the whole entire thing. But I, of course, want to try everything in its authentic form. So this bowl has pork, but I'm going to try the tofu first. So let's go. That's very flavorful. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That is delicious. Honestly, I did not used to like tofu, but I do now because I eat a lot more plant-based. I'm not completely plant-based. That kimchi is good, but it's spicy. Oh my goodness, we're getting there. We are getting to the purpose of today's video, which is basically burning my tongue in my throat. That is so good though. All right, so we've got our rice. Let's kind of get all of our juices situated. Does that sound gross? Juices? It's kind of like moist. That is good paired together. Wow. This is definitely a make-ahead dish. I'm really, really happy that I tried this. But of course, if there's anything that I make in any of my videos that you have suggestions for me to like make it differently or improve for the future, or if I do the recipe again, definitely let me know. This is really good. Definitely a good like weeknight meal. And I actually feel like it's very healthy. Wow. I'm very pleased with this. It's very good.